Welcome to the SQL interview series of Data Millennials. I am Atul, and in this video we are going to write two queries, or we are going to get the exact same output using the two queries in which we have to get the first three characters of a string. So for example, you have names here and you have to get the first three characters of each of the names from a column. So to do that, what we can do is that we can take this employee table as an example in which we have names, employee names, and our question says that write two queries to get the first three characters of a string. So what we can simply do is that we can get this data, or we can get the output using two different methods. The first method will be that we can use the left function. So let me show you how we can do that. We can simply write select star comma left of employee name comma 3 as first three character from sqlinterview.employee. Now if I run this query, you can see that the first three characters of this column has been extracted in a new column, right? Now the second way, or the second alternative way of doing it, is that we can use the substring function. So the substring function takes three arguments. So I'll write substring. Okay, within this substring function I have to first give the column in which I want to extract the value, and then the second argument is the starting place from which the data or the substring has to be extracted, and the number of characters that you want to extract. So with this substring function you have to give three arguments, but with this left function you have to just give two arguments to get the first three characters. Now if I run this query, you will see that you are getting the same output over here, right? You're getting the first three characters of the employee name. So this is how basically you can write queries in two different ways to get the first nth character of a string. If you want to practice more SQL interview questions, you can click on the right hand side of this video, or if you want to learn SQL from scratch, you can click on the left hand side of this video. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.